let's solve this together. It says 4 raised to the power x minus 2 is equal to 768. We're required to solve for the value of x in this question, okay? Now, first thing we're going to do here is to say, let's write out the multiples of 768 and write out the multiples of 4. Okay, now 768 is equal to 64 times 12 to 768. Now, opening up 64 is equal to, this is 2 raised to the power 6, okay, and 12 is equal to 2 squared times 3. Okay, that's 4 times 3. Then this will be equal to, when you have the same base, you add the power, so you have 2 raised to the power 8 multiplied by 3 equals to 60, equals to 768 rather. Now, on the other side, we have 4 to be equal to 2 squared, okay? So we can write this 4 as 2 squared and then replace 4 with 2 squared and replace 768 with this. In this equation, we have 2 squared, okay, raised to the power of x minus 2 is equal to 2 raised to the power 8, okay, times 3. Now, moving on from here, we can say that this is equal to 2 raised to the power 2x minus, okay, 4. And this is equal to 2 raised to the power 8 multiplied by 3. Okay. Now, from here, we are going to have that this is 2 raised to the power 2x. Now, this is divided by, because when you have minus, it means dividing 2 raised to the power 4 to be equal to 2 raised to the power 8 multiplied by 3. Okay. Alright, now moving on from here, we can say, let's multiply each of these sides by 2 raised to the power 4. So we multiply this side by 2 raised to the power 4. You're saying to cancel this 2 raised to the power 4. Okay, and this will, what will remain here is 2 raised to the power 2x. So we equal to, this is now 2 raised to the power 4 multiplying what's over is here. So it's 2 raised to the power 8 times 3. Okay, now we have that 2 raised to the power 2x is now equal to, when you have the same base, you add the power. So you have 2 raised to the power 4 plus 8 is 12 multiplied by 3. Now we take the logarithm of both sides in the base of the number carrying x. The number carrying x is 2. So we take the logarithm of both sides in base 2. Okay? So logarithm in base 2 of 2 raised to the power 2x is equal to logarithm to base 2 of 2 raised to the power 12 times 3. Okay? Bracket like this. Now you're going to have that when you have a logarithm of a number raised to the power, you multiply the power with that log. So you have 2x multiplied by the log of 2 to what base? To base 2, okay? Now it's now equal to, when you have multiplication, you split up and put plus, okay? Just like you did with indices, okay? Now we have logarithm in base 2 of 2 raised to the power 12 plus logarithm in base 2 of 3, okay? Now, from here, you can now say logarithm of a number to its own base is 1. So logarithm of 2 to base 2 is 1. 1 times 2x will give us 2x. And this is equal to, this will now be, you use source to multiply this log. So you have 12 multiplied by logarithm of 2 to base 2 plus logarithm of 3 to base 2. Alright? Now, from here, we're going to have that this is equal to, so you have 2x to be equal to, logarithm of 2 to base 2 again, we'll strike out because it's 1. We also is left is 12. So we have 12 plus logarithm of 3 to base 2. Now dividing each time by 2, we have that our x is equal to 6 plus 1 over 2 multiplied by logarithm of 3 to base 2. Okay? And this becomes the final answer to this question. Thanks for watching.
What's going on, guys? It's Fortune here editing this video. As you can see, about 99% of you guys are not subscribed to the channel, so please subscribe, like, comment and share my videos, as this helps to push my videos out to more viewers out there. The more you subscribe, the more viewers can see my videos, the more we grow in this community. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.